If you want to change the icon's style or shape on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then you can try to apply a different theme just for icons. So in order to do that, we can go to the Themes app, and then over here, of course, we need to search for a theme. Ideally, you probably want to find a free one, so you can scroll through this list in order to try to find something for free. And let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. And as you can see, the icons can be changed to something like this. So if you want just the icons, then of course you need to download the theme, and then you need to go to customize, and you want to untick everything except for icons, and then you can press apply. By doing so, you will apply a different style of icons, and if you go back to the home screen, as you can see, I have new theme for icons. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!